North Macedonia, but also for the whole Western Balkan. Because of tourism in Greece, but also our citizens wait. And then the idea is end of May to have final tender for building a railway to